Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to change accessing permission in Google Drive and save it. Okay, so you can change the accessing permission if you have already shared your file or folder to others, and you now if you want to change the permission, so you can change it easily. I will show you in this video tutorial. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on my Google Drive. So guys, here you can see I am on my Google Drive, or come to the my drive, and here you can see all folder and file which you have shared it. So just find out folder which you have shared with others, just right click on it and go to the share, and okay, I share this file to two peoples, and make it as editor and just write them as send. Okay, so after share file you can change permission. Just right click on it, go share again, and you will see these two person I have shared this folder. So as a they are as an editor, they can make changes in my file. So if I want to change the permission, like if I don't want to make if I don't want to them to change my file, so I have to click on it and make it viewer. Okay, or also I can remove from here. I just make a viewer, so they can only view, they can't the edit or change my file, and just save it. Okay, so if you share this file via link, so go to the get links and change it restricted, or okay, go to the restricted and just click done. So so they may be not access your file via link because you just change your link permission. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.